How to whiten your teeth naturally. If you have allowed a long time to pass without a visit to the dentist, or if you have smoked for many years, or if you drink tea, coffee or too many dark-colored drinks, it is possible that you have yellowing teeth. Yellow teeth are not very attractive and they may keep you from feeling like smiling. In addition to the aforementioned causes, teeth can also become stained due to the consumption of certain medicines, such as certain antibiotics, or due to the consumption of fatty foods, berries or food additives. In this article, we will give you some useful and natural tips that can help you to regain your pearly whites and help your teeth get back that beautiful clear and bright white color that you missed so much, and, in turn, you will be able to show off that smile more often. Tips for whitening your teeth. Strawberry pulp. This is a rather simple procedure to complete. You just need to take a small amount of strawberry pulp and rub it on your teeth for 5 minutes. After doing so, you can rinse your mouth out very well and use dental floss to take out any seeds that might have gotten caught in your teeth. Baking soda. To whiten your teeth using baking soda, you should apply a small amount of baking soda to your toothbrush and rub it on your teeth, or you can add a bit of baking powder to your toothpaste that you regularly use. Lemon juice. To whiten your teeth with lemon, you should prepare a paste with a small amount of salt and lemon juice. You can also exchange the salt for baking soda. You should rub this paste on your teeth quite a bit before rinsing your mouth with plenty of water. Apple vinegar. Teeth whitening with apple vinegar can be done in the following way. Mix a small amount of apple cider vinegar with baking soda to create a thick paste. With this paste, you should brush your teeth very well before rinsing your mouth with plenty of chilled water. Orange peel and bay leaves. This is a very effective teeth whitening method, albeit rather unknown. To whiten your teeth using orange peel and bay leaves, you should grind up some orange peels with some bay leaves. Then, rub this mixture on your teeth, being careful to apply it everywhere. Lastly, rinse your mouth out well with fresh water. Tricks to keep your teeth white. Make an effort to chew apples, celery, carrots and broccoli regularly. You should brush your teeth at least 3 times per day. Do your best to avoid drinking dark-colored drinks and smoking. If you drink something like coffee or tea, you should brush your teeth, or at least rinse your mouth, immediately after consumption in order to prevent stains on your teeth. Note: it is recommended not to overuse these tips since their excessive application, especially lemon and baking soda, would end up causing, if it is applied too much and too often, the opposite effect to take place on our teeth. Please follow these tips using precaution and do not overuse any of these remedies. In the same vein, we recommend that you visit your dentist for more specialized treatment.